How to check network connection. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open settings and click on network and internet. After you're in network and internet, on the left side you'll find Ethernet. Simply click on it. If you don't have it, what you can do is simply click on change adapter options. After that, in here, you'll find your Wi-Fi connected device. Click on it. It will open this pop-up. In here, you'll find speed. As you can see on the right side, there is speed and it is in Mbps. And that is the speed of your network. And from here, according to the speed, you can check your network connection. This is how to check network connection. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.